Hello, I'm Xiao from University of Washington. Today, I'm presenting our work, SonifyAR, Context-Aware Sound Effect Generation in Augmented Reality. Sound is a pivotal element in augmented reality that adds depth and immersion to user experiences, such as depth perception, task completion, search and navigation, and even assistance for visually impaired people. However, current AR authoring platforms like Reality Composer and Adobe Aero provide only rudimentary sound authoring support. For example, if the AR creator wants this AR toy robot to have sound, like the mechanical noise and the stomping of the robot, they need to find the matching sound effects by themselves, then manually bind the sound with AR experience, which requires effort, cost, and skills. We introduced SonifyAR, a tool that automatically generates context-aware sound for AR experiences. With SonifyAR, the creator can just explore the AR interaction and demonstrate the interactions that can potentially have sound. While the creator conducts these actions, SonifyAR will capture these events, analyze their context information, and automatically generate sound options for creators to test out and choose from. For each of the demonstrated AR interaction, for example, the user sliding a virtual ceramic cup on a wooden desk, SonifyAR will capture its context information as text, including its action type, subject, object, and other contextual details like the surface material, which is analyzed by a real-time material segmentation model. These context info are processed as text, then fed to the large language model for further processing. Two sound acquisition methods, retrieval-based methods and generation-based methods, will be controlled by the LLM to acquire sound assets. After testing and selection with our user interface, the creator can have their AR experience sonified. Please check our paper for more information. Thank you.